Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. The lock I have today is a very special one, at least for me. It's the Rosengrens 32A81S. It's a safe deposit lock, box lock and a disk detainer with 8 disks. This is the key. Looks a bit different than the keys for other disk detainers. It has these cuts on both sides, symmetric. And also the keyway of these locks is quite restricted. Especially the center of the keyway is covered by this little tooth here, so that it's not possible to insert the pick right in the center, which means that the pick is always a bit deplaced, which makes picking even more difficult. And in most videos you see people using bent wires, but this didn't work for me, so I decided to sacrifice a key and create my own pick in the shape of the keyway. I silver soldered it onto a piece of wire of 1.2 millimeters, which fits perfectly into the keyway. For the tensioner, I used a little piece of steel tube. I also tried to make a tensioner from a piece of the key, but this didn't work out because it broke off too often. So for training, I again created a cutaway of the lock, and as you can see, again you can see everything happening inside, and this is also was really helpful for the training. But for the actual pick, I use another one, which is not a cutaway, obviously. Works nice, and yeah. But now, without further ado, let's put this thing in a vise and see if we can get it picked. All right, the Rosengrens is now in the vise. Here's the key. Works very smoothly. And for picking, I use my self-made tip. And I start from front to back. First I rotate 90 degrees and then I turn all the discs a little bit. What the key would also do. And I turn each of them as far as there is no significant resistance. Two. That's number 3. 4. 5. It's not binding at all. 6 is binding. 7 is binding. And 8. It's also binding. Now start again from the front. Can rotate number 8 back, but that was too far, I guess. Now it feels loose. Number 2. Feels loose. Number 3 also feels loose. 4 also loose. 5 is now binding. 6 is binding, but only in the one direction. feels good. Number 7. Number 8. Start from the beginning again. Number 1. Don't know. This feels right. Number 2. This feels better. 3 feels good. 4 feels good now also. 5 also feels good. 6 also feels good. 7 maybe. And 8. 8 is loose. Let's start again from the beginning. One feels good. 2 feels good. 3 feels good. 4 also. 5 is a max lift, I think. 6. 'Feels good. 7, I'm not sure about this one. 8 maybe now. There we go. That was number 7 and number 8. So, as you can see, it's open. Let's close it up again and remove the tool. And let me show you what's inside. These things are quite easy to cut. We can simply remove this ring of copper here. And then everything should come apart almost by itself. Here we have the back plate with the actuator and one ring that holds it inside. Let's put this here. Then we have the sidebar, obviously. And then we have one, oops, this is a spacer. And we have this thing that interacts with the back posts or center posts and is responsible for tensioning. And then we come to the actual discs. Maybe we can pull them out at once, like that. And this is the housing with various grooves for tensioners and spacers, and this is the groove for the sidebar here. And then we have all the discs. We can, oops, take them off one by one. Starts with the spacer. And then disc number 1. No, this is disc number 8 actually. Let's put them this way. Another spacer, another disc, and another spacer, and another disc, and so on. It's 8 discs and spacers in total. Then we have another one of these other spacers. Oops, this one, and one more for tensioning. That's this one, like the first. And then we have the carrier here with the triangular center posts. Yeah, and that's about all. Let me give you a close-up of all these discs. As you can see, they all have false gates, or most of them have false gates. I think no, they should all have false gates. Yeah, that's about all about this Rosengrens with the difficult name 32A81S. Picked and gutted. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.